Welcome back, great and amazing leaders, still on the issues of the clock. So let's look at the numbers on the clock today, the opposite numbers on the clock today. Now you have 12 directly opposite to 6. So if you're drawing the clock, the first numbers you should look at first, after having the center of the clock, the numbers you should look at that are opposite are 12 and 6. So 12 will be directly opposite to 6, as you can see here on this clock. 3 is directly opposite to 9. 3 is directly opposite to 9. So on the clock, we have 6 directly opposite to 12. 3 directly opposite to 9. So the first thing you do is to have the center of the clock, put a dot. The clock has a center, so you put a dot at the center of the clock. That defines the center of the clock. Then you have 12. If you write your 12 up the center of the clock, then directly the 12 you have your 6. Then write your 3. After your 3, you write your 9. Then after having your 12 and your 6, your 3, and your 9, then you can put other numbers like 1 and 2, 4 and 5, 7 and 8, 10 and 11. That is how you draw your clock. That is how you draw your clock. So we can all draw our clock right away. So how do you go about that? This is what you do. Let's use a circle. Draw a circle. Yes, put the center of the clock a dot. Can you see that? Then write your 12 up. The number opposite 12 is 6. So put your 6 directly down. Write your 9. The number opposite 9 is 3. Once you are able to do this, you can insert other numbers like 1 and 2. 4 and 5, 7 and 8, 10 and 11. So you can put your minute hand and your hour hand. Here's my minute hand, and here is my hour hand. That is how you draw the clock. You can use any shape you like. Let's use triangle. Put the center of the clock, your 12, 6 down, your 3, opposite, 9. Then put the number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. That is how you draw your clock. You can see that. You can use any shape you like. You can use your trapezium if you like. Put the center, 12 up, 6 down, 3 and 9. 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. This is your clock. So this is how you go about drawing. So you must always identify the center of the clock. Then up the center of the clock you have 12. Beneath you have 6 directly opposite 12. Then you have 3 and directly opposite 9. If you're done with that, you can insert other numbers in the clock. So this is how far you can go for today in drawing the clock. See you in our next other class. We shall be dealing with the o'clock time in our next other class. Thank you.